So hello guys, welcome to another Buzzdom by Quizdom. So this is the F1 edition, and with us we have Anvita Sarangi, Tarun Agarwal, and Shiven Gupta. So yep, so let us start with the rounds. So as we all know, we have six categories, and we'll have five questions with increasing points in each category. Okay. So the first category is what are they now? Okay, so I'll be giving a list of all the old names of current team. You have to tell what team is this. The next is check your mirrors. So check your mirrors is basically famous F1 rivalries that are there. There are certain clues, keywords that can take you there. So track of life is a very nice thing. I'll show you different tracks. You have to tell which GP it is or which country it is or name of the track, whatever. The next is curse of the Grand Prix. So in this, I'll give you some hints regarding a certain Grand Prix, and you have to tell me which Grand Prix are we talking about. The next is rookie numbers. So certain achievements by rookies, and Alonso is not there in this list. And the next one is whose radio is it anyway? So famous radio lines. You have to tell me about whom or who spoke these lines. Okay. So we'll go with alphabetically. So Anvita, you get to choose the first category.
What are they now for 40?
What are they now for 40? Okay, so here we go. So we have Tyrell, Bar, Honda, and Braun GP. Yes, Anvita on the buzzer. Anvita with a 40. Full name दे दिया था. Nice. Okay.
मतलब इतना देख लिया इंटरव्यू की अब पता है फुल नेम क्या है.
Okay, so Anvita is on 40. You get to choose the next one.
Whose radio is it for 40?
Whose radio is it for 40? So I want to use more front. We don't want to. Well, I want to. Okay, do what you need to do. Okay, if no one. So this is as latest as the Chinese GP.
Yeah, exactly.
This Sunday. This is as latest as the Chinese GP. And I'll give another clue. The clue is this guy is in news pretty much in the last 2 to 3 days. Yep, Anvita on the buzzer.
Take a guess. Is it Yuki Tsunoda?
Yes, this is indeed Yuki Tsunoda. So Yuki being a Pookie in real life, but an absolute menace on their team radio. So this was Yuki Tsunoda, Anvita with another 40. And so Yuki moving to Red Bull. That was the news. Yes, Anvita, you get to choose the next one again.
Yuki same category for 30.
Whose radio is it in?
Yes.
Yep, so there we go. So this is I am stupid. Yes, Anvita again. Yes, this is indeed Charles Leclerc. Anvita gets another 30.
सेकंड थर्ड पे डिसाइड नहीं हो रहा.
I'm very happy now with this bus jump.
कोई बात नहीं. Okay, nice.
I think out of sync. I'm very disappointed with my performance.
भाई ऐसे
Okay.
कॉन्क्रीट से पटक देगा एकदम से तो यही होगा.
Yes, Anvita, you choose the next one again.
Whose radio is it for 50?
Okay, whose radio is it for 50? There we go. So, okay, what damage do you have? Talent, Anvita. Yes.
Lando Norris.
Yes, this is indeed Lando Norris. Anvita knows whose radio is it anyway.
Skip discussion.
Okay,
Oh,
Anvita
God.
gets another 50. As I said in the group, you would be hitting the buzzer too hard. Okay, so resetting the buzzer. Yes, Anvita, choose the next question.
We'll complete this category. So whose radio is it for 10?
10. Okay. It's guys, hands on your buzzer. This is a pretty simple one. Okay. Here we go. Dash, it's hammer time. Yes, Shiven.
Hamilton.
Yes, this is indeed Lewis Hamilton. Shiven gets that 10 points.
Start from zero पे.
And yes,
एक
शिवेन
सेकंड
choose.
खत्म ही करता है.
connect हो रही
Whose
है।
radio?
चलो रेडियो खत्म
Sorry.
करते हैं. Okay, here we go. Guys, hands on your buzzer. Okay. So it is for what? So they will add 5 seconds to your time after the race. For what? Yes, Shiven.
Alonso. Fucking Fernando Alonso.
रुकी
A minus 20 to Shiven. On that question, this was not Alonso. Coming up next is Anvita.
Kimi Raikkonen।
Yes, this is indeed Kimi Raikkonen. Anvita gets that 20.
भाई
ऐसे ही गुस्से में रहते हैं दोनों.
मेरे को भी अलोंसो ही लग रहा था। थैंक यू फॉर जस्ट एलिमिनेटिंग।
Okay, Tarun, you are on second position right now.
भाई यही स्ट्रैटेजी है बस.
Yes, Anvita, which question would you be choosing next?
What are they now for 50?
What are they now for 50? Here we go. So we have Tolman, Benetton, Renault, Lotus, and again Renault. Yes, Shiven.
Alpine.
Yes, this is indeed Alpine. Shiven negates that minus 10. This is BWT Alpine for 50 to Shiven. Yes, Shiven, choose the next one. Yeah.
बस
मेरा अभी तक रही.
Yep, there we go.
What are they now?
नहीं बस है।
No, this you buzzed it again. Okay. Yeah, this is clear. Yeah, Shiven.
What are they now for 30?
What are they now for 30? Here we go. So we have Stuart GP and Jaguar Racing. Yes, Shiven.
1 second. Is it?
Is it? Yeah, it is that, but you have to answer the question.
अरे ये वही है ना. Fuck. Aston Martin.
So this is not Aston Martin. Shiven gets a minus 30. Are there no buzzers?
I'll try.
Okay, Anvita.
Is it take F1? But I don't know.
Oh.
This is not
Arey,
Sauber.
bro,
Sauber.
Can I go again?
If it
Can I
was
go
Sauber,
again?
no, you cannot go again. If it was Sauber, it
Shit,
would have been
yaar,
Alfa
इतना
Romeo.
easy
हाँ, बस क्या होता वो बोलने के बाद realize
Yeah,
हुआ।
minus
Easy
30 to
approach
Anvita
है
as well.
bro.
Tarun, would you like to try? Yes, Tarun is trying.
Is it Haas?
This is not Haas. Haas did not replace anyone. Haas
सबको
came back
negative दो भाई,
direct.
सबको negative दो.
Red Bull
Bro, it's
निकलेगा।
Red Bull,
Okay,
bro. It is
my-
Red
Red
Bull.
Bull निकलेगा।
This is
Jaguar,
indeed Red
Red Bull
Bull. Okay, the answer is Red Bull.
Tension.
Jaguar was replaced by Red Bull Racing.
इतना याद ही नहीं था ये बीच में Red Bull Jaguar हुआ करता था।
बहुत पुरानी हो गया यार, बहुत पुराना आ गया. क्लिक ही नहीं हुआ, बहुत लेट लगा मेरे पास.
Okay, so the last question was answered by Shiven. So Shiven, you get to choose again the next one.
What are they now for 10?
What are they now for 10? Here we go. So Minardi, Toro Rosso, and AlphaTauri. Yes, Anvita.
V-Car Racing Bulls।
Yes, V-Car. Anvita gets a 10 plus 10 on that one. This is indeed V-Car for Visa Cash App Racing Bulls.
सॉरी गलत स्पॉन्सर बोल दिया।
Yes, Anvita.
Check your mirrors for 30।
Check your mirrors for 30. Here we go. So pit stop drama. Stopping in between the double pit stop. So this was a certain incident between which two teammates, rivals, taking you back to 2008-2009 era. Yes, Shiven.
Alonso Hamilton.
Yes, this is indeed Alonso and Hamilton, in which Alonso stopped in between a double pit stop. So a plus 30 to Shiven on that one.
ये कैटेगरी मजेदार है।
This is good. This is actually I have to think with the ear. तो ear बोलता है तो थोड़ा दिमाग hit होता है कि तब क्या चल रहा था.
Yes, Shiven, there we go. Next question.
What are they now for 20?
What are they now for 20? So we have Jordan. Yes, Shiven.
Sorry।
Aston Martin.
Yes, this is indeed Aston Martin. Jordan, Midland, Spiker, Force India, and then Racing Point. This is Aston Martin Aramco. Plus 20 to Shiven. Yes, Shiven, choose the next one.
बजर किया था जी।
Yep.
एड्रेनलिन रश आ गया है।
हाँ वैसे लग रहा है एकदम में तो कॉम्पिटिटिव हो गए हम दोनों तो चिल कर रहे हैं पीछे की सब नेगेटिव लेते रहे ना मैं सेकंड
I'll do check your mirrors for 20.
Check your mirrors for 20. So let's check them. You can't lap your teammate who is in the second place. Yes, Tarun.
कोई गलती से
Who
दब गया
lapped
ये
his who tried to lap his teammate when he lapped the entire grid?
लैप का एंटायर ग्रिड
Tarun followed by Shiveen.
is it lap the entire grid?
Yep, you have to answer.
Is this Lance Stroll versus Alonso?
Hey. Oh, wait. This is for 20 points. Okay, I'll give you minus 80 for that answer.
हिंट दे
This
देना
is
तरुण
not-
को एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी हिंट दे दे।
Chalo, Tarun, ठीक है, I'll give you another hint. So, that driver had a web series made on him recently on Netflix. So, this event was also included in that web series. And this is not DTS.
I don't know, man.
Kya?
I don't know.
Okay, minus 20 to Tarun. I can make that. I want to make that minus 80. Yes, Shivan, you are next.
मैं भी वैसे थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो चुका हूँ। इस दिस तूने क्या बोला कि उस पे नई अभी सीरीज बनी है?
Yep.
कोई और हिंट दे रहे हो?
The
ईयर बोल दे।
the
नहीं
year.
आपने
नहीं.
ऑलरेडी एक हिंट
The
दे
year
दिया
is.
नो नो हिंट्स
I have another hint. It's a really good hint. Okay.
अरे
तो दे देना सबके
The
दोनों
hint
के
is
देना।
this driver said if there is a gap, you should always go for it.
यार दिस इज द मोस्ट
And this driver also went for the age gap.
दिस इज नॉट फेयर आई थिंक आई शुड बी स्ट्रेट ओवर
Yes.
I think
I mean ड्राइवर तो आयरटन सेना है।
I also need the rival. Very famous rival.
let's move on let's
Prost.
move on to me
Okay, this is indeed Senna and Prost, the
मुझे
famous
मेरे को पता
McLaren
कंफ्यूजन ये था कि
rival.
सेना ने प्रॉस को लैप भी कर दिया था क्या यार मैक्लारेन?
No, actually did not lap. He lapped the entire grid, and Prost asked that who is behind me. So उसके basis पे I made this category called as check your mirrors. So he said कि the
question.
person behind you is Senna,
मैंने बस थोड़ा सा
and he's in the
overthink
first
कर
place.
दिया।
नेक्स्ट वाले हिंट से कैसे नहीं जाना है
अरे मैंने ओवरथिंक किया ना, वो बोल रहा हूँ। I thought कि कुछ और होगा, फिर पता कि इतना मुश्किल होना नहीं चाहिए।
Plus 20 to Shiven. Yeah. So the hint I gave was that you should always go for the gap because there were allegations that Senna was dating a 14-year-old girl.
I mean, we will not comment on that.
Different times, no comments.
No comment.
Surely not the
Okay.
YouTube content you want to push.
Next
This is your direct.
Okay, I will. Let's try something new. Rookie numbers for 30.
एक second, what was this category? Can you please explain it again?
Rookie numbers. Rookie numbers are rookies who made it big. So if they did something great in the rookie year, so this category is all about that.
ठीक है.
Okay, rookie numbers for 30. This legendary rookie won the Monaco GP in his rookie season in 1950 and went on to become the 5-time world champion. Shiven on the buzzer.
Fangio.
Yes, this is indeed one Fangio. Shiven gets a 30 on that one.
Anmita, are you scared of my comeback?
Yes.
Please
I
guys,
hate
get
your
some
buzzing
negative.
skills. I genuinely hate your buzzing skills.
Okay, Shiven, you are up next.
भाई मैं इतना क्या आता है, इतना सीरियस कर दिया मतलब। Okay, rookie numbers for 20.
Rookie numbers for 20. Here we go. This rookie stunned the world by winning the 2008 Italian GP for Toro Rosso in wet conditions. Yes, Shivain on the buzzer.
Vettel.
Yes, this is indeed Seb Vettel. Shivain gets a 20 on that one. So
अगली बार से
before
बंद करिएगा।
before we move forward, let us just tally the scores once, okay? So
I think she's still in the lead.
I don't think so. I'm in the
Please
lead.
don't.
okay, so Anvita is currently in the lead with 150 points, followed by Shivain at 130 points, and Tarun is just shy of getting a 0 if he gets a 50-point question right. So he's at minus 50.
Hey, how much minus? Oh, fuck. Okay.
Minus 50. Okay, Shivain, you get to choose the next category.
I'll pick. What is the track of life?
So I'll show you images
Sure.
of different track, the shape and everything. You have to tell which track is it.
ये तो होगा ही नहीं.
अरे हर में सेम ट्रैक बोलेंगे किसी ना किसी में तो हो जाएगा
हाँ, exactly.
कोई ना कोई तो सही
This
निकलेगा
reminds me of
Let's do-
this reminds me of Arpit. He
Hamilton
Hamilton.
That was such a good one.
even I thought the same thing. I won't be able to answer this. I just thought of one track and I'll say that answer in every one.
चलो मैं बोलता हूँ track of life for 30.
Track of life for 30. Here we go. So which track is this?
Arey.
A famous track with a flyover, so that if you see at turn 9 and turn 15, you can see that the roads are crossing. So this track is famous for that thing.
कुछ और है.
Yes, Tarun on the buzzer.
Is this the Japanese GP?
Yes, this is indeed Suzuka Japanese GP. Tarun gets a plus 30 on
Come
that
back.
one.
Let's go!
Come back!
Let's go.
Come on, Tarun. This is
अच्छा था,
indeed
मेरे को तो
Suzuka
कोई idea
Japanese
Oh,
GP.
same.
Hey, let's go for Curse of Grand Prix 20.
Curse
ये
of Grand
category क्या था?
20. So I'll give you hints about different Grand Prix. You have to tell me which country's Grand Prix is this, or which Grand Prix is this. Okay?
done.
Curse of Grand Prix
Please
for
reset the
20.
buzzer. Please reset
So
the
this,
buzzer.
yeah. This streets, yep, Shivain on the buzzer.
ये तो मेरा iconic moment है जी. Because Carnival must happen in Baku, Azerbaijan.
Yes,
Let's
this is
go.
indeed Baku, Azerbaijan.
2018.
Bro.
Best
Plus
crash ever.
20 on that one. This crash actually helped Lance Stroll get his first podium.
My king.
Wow.
Your
My
My
king.
favorite driver, Lance Stroll.
Yes. Shivain, you are up next.
I take the Curse of Grand Prix 30.
Curse of Grand Prix for 30. Here we go. So this chocolatey GP in 2021 hosted the shortest Grand Prix in the history of F1. The hint is chocolatey GP. A famous track.
अरे अन्विता ने बस कर दिया पहले. Shit.
Okay, yes,
ए,
Anvita on the
जल्दी
buzzer.
timer लगाओ भाई. Timer 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
0.
I will take a guess. I think this is the Belgium like Spa.
Yes, this is indeed Belgium Grand Prix or Spa.
Fuck.
A plus. Just a
I
second.
would like to make give an interesting fact as Lance Stroll got Baku mein podium. This was the race in which the George got Williams में points.
Nice.
Russell Williams points, yes.
A plus 30
Pole
to
भी I think
Anvita.
Russell का था ना इसमें. ऐसा कुछ था, मुझे याद आ रहा है.
नहीं उसको points मिले थे बहुत
Points.
हो रहा था वो और पीछे से फंस रहे थे.
Nice,
Okay,
nice.
हाँ, लतीफी और दोनों को मिलता है यार.
Yes, Anvita, choose the next one.
Track of life for 20.
Track of life for 20. Identify this famous track.
Hint भाई.
Hint please.
Hint. Okay. So, if you take a look at the turn 11 and 10, a famous overtake took place over there. a really famous overtake that broke some ties, broke some records, and stuff like that. Was heartbreaks for many. Yes, Tarun on the buzzer.
Is this the Abu Dhabi? No.
Yes, this
Abu
is
Dhabi
indeed
GPS.
Abu Dhabi or Yas Marina Circuit.
2021 Verstappen.
Yes, this was Hamilton. Verstappen happened there.
Tarun is at 0. Let's go.
Yay! Track
Plus
of life
20
is
to
bringing
Tarun.
life to my
हमने
space.
H बना दिया है.
ये कर दो बस क्लियर.
Yep. Yes, Tarun, choose the next one.
Rookie numbers 40.
Rookie numbers for 40. Here we go. अरे यार.
Is it me या question नहीं है?
नहीं
नहीं. Rookie numbers for 40. Okay, so this rookie won the first ever Formula One race, making him the first ever rookie winner. This is why he is the rookie. He won the first ever Formula One race. So no one is guessing. Like
कुछ है.
the first ever, it has to be an Italian. So
हाँ, वो
think
तो मतलब
Italian
बहुत
names.
कहता है.
Yeah, the thing is, it is very hard. Even I don't remember it a lot of times. So I'll give you the answer. So the answer is Giuseppe Farina. He was the first ever Formula One winner.
I might have heard his name कभी. बहुत
He was the first ever वो season winner also ना?
No, Fangio won the first season.
fan.
Yeah, so
That was sad.
Tarun, your chance.
Track of life 10.
Track of Life 10, a pretty famous. What the hell? Oh, sorry, मैंने गलती से खोल दिया. Sorry.
क्या है?
अब यही
ये
कर
check your
I don't-
mirrors है. Check your mirrors है. The overtake after the safety car made the 7-time world champion and 3-time runner.
अबे यार.
मतलब इसमें पर guess क्या करना है?
You have to
अरे,
guess
किसके
which rivalry is
Tell the
this.
rivalry.
Okay, Hamilton Verstappen.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give you that. Tarun,
It's
I'll
confusing
open
हो
the question once again.
हम्म.
The circuit wala.
हाँ.
इसके
Shivan,
point
you
दे
get
देना मेरे को.
Shivan, you get a 10 point on that one.
Distribute कर दे भाई.
Unbuzz
Yeah.
कर दो.
Yeah.
Cleared.
Tarun, track of life for 10 points. Here we go. Which track is this? A pretty famous track. One of the most iconic tracks in F1.
थोड़ा और hint मिल सकता है?
The turn like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it is called as Beckett's and that.
Silverstone.
Yes, Tarun gets a plus 10 on that one. This is indeed Silverstone.
वो ना
British
तीनों के
GP.
आंसर ऐसे मेरे दिमाग में वही सोच रहा होता हूँ पर मैं बस नहीं करता हूँ और फिर मेरे तीनों बार पहुंच
Tarun has answered all the track of life questions.
I think
तरुण
that
क्या
is
मैथ
the
मैथ
most
मैथ मैथ करते रहता है.
Check your mirrors 40.
Check your
Unbuzz,
mirrors for
unbuzz,
40.
unbuzz करता है.
Yeah. Check your mirrors for 40. Here we go. Multi 21, buddy. Multi 21. I
Let's
was
go.
racing. Yes, Shivan.
Weber and Vettel.
Yes.
Mark
plus
Webber going multi 21 पर overtake
multi
कर लिया
21.
Vettel ने.
Seb, multi 21. Shivan gets a plus 20 on that one.
F1 YouTube
Plus 40
channel
on that
for
one.
the win.
Okay, Shivan, your turn.
Unbuzz.
Yeah.
You're bringing out the cohort 2017-18 वाला fan in me. जो सारे वीडियो देखता था.
This is free. Verstappen fan को अच्छा लग रहा है that era.
Yep.
I pick rookie number for 50.
Rookie numbers for 50. ठीक है. So this, at the age of 53, this rookie won his first and only Formula One race in 1951, making him the oldest race winner in the sports history. Yeah, this is the craziest question.
फिर मैंने year देखा.
मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है.
This is the craziest and the most hardest question. And the funny thing is, I don't remember the answer
अरे
because
Thank you अन्विता -50 लेने के लिए.
Shit यार मैंने age देख के.
hey, you did not buzz. I have no buzzer here.
Oh thank you.
अबे था बस.
अबे यार.
ये क्या बात हुई?
अरे नहीं था, बuzz नहीं था.
किसी ने नहीं
चलो गेम थोड़ा कॉम्पिटिटिव रहेगा अगर वो नॉट कर पाएगी आई थिंक वी शुड कीप इट लाइक दैट
One for the game, भाई.
वैसे तो खंडा किसी नो क्लू ब्रो आगे बढ़िए
Yeah,
I would
okay.
like to say for no points at all.
Yeah, you can guess for no point.
Fernando
डेविड
Alonso.
कोल्थार्ड
No,
This
this
is
is
so
not.
53 and I'm like Alonso होगा.
This is not. This is Luigi Fagioli.
ब्रो आई डोंट इवन नो द नेम
Yeah, the thing is, even I don't know him. I just saw the question and I had to put it. I just saw the trivia and I had to put it. Okay. Yes, Anvita, choose the next one.
अच्छा.
Hey, no, wait, Shivan, you have to choose the next one. Shivan, you have to choose the next one.
ओके कर्स ऑफ द ग्रैंड प्री 40
Curse of the Grand Prix for 40. There we go. Okay. So, despite being a legend and multiple times world champion, Ayrton
Nahi.
Senna never won a GP in the fashion capital. Yes, Anvita.
Paris.
oh
ठीक है. It is not Paris. It is actually French GP, but I'll give you that.
हाँ. Yeah, thank you.
So plus 40 to Anvita on that one.
Clear buzzer.
कौन सी category?
मैं तो वैसे भी मोनाको गैस करने वाला था तो बच गया मतलब
But no, Ayrton Senna is the king of Monaco.
हाँ मैं फिर मेरे को भी वही लगा कि यार फैशन कैपिटल पढ़ के आई रश कर
Okay, so after the scores, Tarun is at 10,
Come back.
Shiven is at 100. Oh, Shiven is at 200,
Wow.
and Anvita is at 220.
भाई, भाई,
So
this
a
goes out to
20
Ritu,
points
भाई.
difference. And the thing is, key now all the answers you can get. Now they are easy. Those
What?
3 rookie number.
350s left.
If I
हाँ.
answer all of them, I'll beat
Tarun,
Shivan at
you
least.
can win the quiz.
I can
Tarun,
beat
you
Shivan.
can win the quiz if you
You
answer
can
all
tie
of them.
exactly
You will
तू tie
tie.
कर
You will
पाएगा
actually tie with
150
Anvita.
190 210 तेरे 220 हो जाएगा
Guys.
And if
We can-
Anvita answers the question wrong, and Tarun answers it correctly, then we
Sounds
might
like-
have a thing stranger than fiction.
This is just RCB level calculus.
Yes.
नहीं आरसीबी ऐसे ही तो कमबैक करती है
वही तो. Chalo, whose
Lead
answer
rate.
was this? Whose question?
अन्विता
Yes, Anvita.
I would like to go for rookie numbers 10.
Rookie numbers 10. Here we go. So this F1 rookie won 2 races in his debut season, just 1 point shy for World Championship in his debut. Yes, Shiven.
Hamilton
Yes, this is indeed Lewis Hamilton. A plus 10 to Shiven on that one. This is Lewis Hamilton
अरे
plus 10,
बड़े पॉइंट सेंड के लिए छोड़ देते हैं
plus 10 to
हाँ,
Shiven.
competitive सा होगा.
Yes, Shiven.
अनबस कर दे
Yeah.
कर्स ऑफ द ग्रैंड प्री फॉर 10
Curse of the Grand Prix for 10. Ferrari in 2024 won its home GP after nearly 14 years. Which GP are we talking about? Shiven on the buzzer. Yes, Shiven.
Monza
Yes, plus 10 to Shiven. So now we have a tie between Anvita and Shiven at 220.
Guys, all you need to do is answer wrong.
Yes, both of them. So that Tarun can win this quiz.
I'll go third every time.
Okay. So clearing the buzzer. Yes,
Okay.
Shiven. Choose the question.
ट्रैक ऑफ लाइफ फॉर 40
Track of life for 40. Here we go. Which famous track is this? If you see the turns, corners, and stuff, you might realize this track.
Hint?
देखा सा लग रहा है बस याद नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, Shiven, guess.
See, I saw the turn 6 and 7 और मुझे उससे बस वो मोनाको का गोल चक्कर याद आ रहा है
Yes, this is indeed Monaco GP. As I said, the sector 2 and the turn 10 is the sudden turn in the Monaco GP. A plus 40 to Shiven on that one. This is Monaco GP. Yep. Shiven gets a plus 40. Yes, Shiven.
ट्रैक ऑफ लाइफ 50
Track of Life 50. Here we go. Which track is this?
Hint.
Okay. Hint. So, अरे यार, keep your buzzers ready. Okay, this hint is really like giveaway. There is a team by the name of the same name in the F1 after whom this circuit is named.
Oh,
Yes, Shivin.
Red Bull Ring.
Yes, this is Red Bull Ring or Austrian
Does-
GP.
Oh, shit.
Austrian GP. Fuck.
Plus 52 Shivin. Anvita, now if you answer both the question, you can win by 10 points.
हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा सा neck to neck हो गया. Clear buzzer.
Yes.
And बस.
Haha. Just a second. Yep.
वरना मेरे को तो लग रहा था आई थॉट दैट वाज चाइनीज ग्रैंड प्री क्योंकि लॉन्गेस्ट स्ट्रेट लग रहा था.
Yes,
Okay,
Shivin.
we will go Curse of the Grand Prix for 50.
Okay, hands on your buzzer, guys. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Here we go. This 2008 GP saw the World Championship slip away from Felipe Massa to Lewis Hamilton. Which famous GP are we talking about? After
Can you
which,
give a hint?
the hint is like this GP usually.
गलती से हो गया ये release कर देना buzzer.
What the
कर दो
hell?
release, कर दो.
Okay, see.
Hint दे दे.
This
Hint दे
GP,
फिर बात.
I'm giving the hint. Hands on your buzzer. This GP has some conditions that equalizes the race for all the drivers. So it is basically on driver's skill. This GP usually. This GP has a lot of rain. That is the hint.
ठीक है.
कर दूं क्या बस थोड़ा गेम इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाएगा.
कर दो
Negative fun है.
इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा ना थोड़ा. तेरे पे
बोलो.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन में यू कैन डायरेक्टली विन. बट इफ दिस क्यों किया आपको जीतना था. इफ दिस Interlagos Brazil GP.
This is indeed Interlagos Brazil GP. This is Brazil GP. Brazilian GP in which
I might be the
Lewis.
most clutch F1 knowledge guy here, guys.
कोई बात नहीं, Anvita. If Shiven answers
कोई
this wrong,
नहीं.
no, you okay. So Shiven is getting the win here. Okay. So last question. Hands on your buzzer. The curse of the check your mirrors for 50. Here we go. Finnish and German rivalry, the perfect examples of battle of the OGs. This is another Ferrari versus McLaren. So if you don't buzz in 10 seconds, I'll give you a hint. I'll give you the era. So the era is late 90s. Mid 90s to late 90s. And remember, I need both the drivers.
Mid 90s.
Okay, yes, Shiven.
I think I'll go Hakkinen Schumacher.
This is indeed Hakkinen and Schumacher. A beautiful answer there by Shiven. Plus 50 to Shiven. So that takes Shiven to 410 points. So Shiven acting like now Max Verstappen here and winning this quiz by a huge margin. So yes, thank you so much, guys. That was the quiz.
Please play national anthem now.
ये बंद Tarun, good job, Tarun. Tarun, at least
Hey.
negative नहीं था.
I want to dedicate this quiz victory to one and only Daniel Ricciardo, who truly deserved that Red Bull seat.
Tarun, क्या
Good.
Tarun बोल रहा हूँ.
Hashtag
Shiven,
Daniel Paglu for life.
Shiven, can we see a Shui then?
I don't have alcohol, otherwise I would have done it. I would have done it if I had alcohol.
कोई
I
बात नहीं.
cannot do it with water. That would be too gross. If I had alcohol, I would have done it.